50 things to print in 2024. I love 3D printing. I'm so glad that it's in my life. I like looking at new ideas. I'm not sure how many more new ideas there are, which means, someone told me one time that the way that you make succeed is make any idea 3% better. I'm not telling you to steal an idea. I'm telling you that it's okay to be inspired. So you're going to have to learn Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. I came up with a really quick, fast course, but you can do it on your own. There's a lot of free content out there. Let's cover 50 things to print in 2024 in under 10 minutes. This is surprising, but I needed something to ventilate my laser cutter, and this PVC pipe sells for $140. Guitar bodies are huge right now. Music's really in. You can either do guitar picks, which I've done a video on, or the actual full body of a bass guitar or a lead guitar. These are ring sizers. I make coin rings. Even if I make a coin ring out of a coin, or whether or not I make a 3D printed ring, I need to know what size people have. So crafts, organization of paints. This is an organizer for all of your craft paint. This is something that could be a huge gift, or you can actually sell these at specific craft fairs. It's an awesome way to organize it. So your Apple Watch, in terms of, or whatever watch that you have, if you have a Garmin, you want to keep it safe. And sometimes you can integrate a charger into these, but this is something that you can print in different filaments, and it's going to be a huge, someone's going to give you a big hug. All right, pill organizers, tons of pill organizers. This one was out there. I think this was on the Bamboo website. Really, really great design. It turns. You got to make sure that the right materials are using so you don't have complication with medication. This is a loud hiker whistle. So if you want to save protection or for personal safety, or someone you love, bag clips. Bag clips are notoriously bad for 3D printing. This one was pretty good. I have this link below. This keeps all of whatever you're doing, whether or not you're camping or just at home, keeps it there. Organization of cables, if you're into making electronics, or if you're just that great guy that always has that right cable, this keeps that organized. This is a camp foot chair. These always break on those cheap chairs. This is something you can download and print and be that hero in case someone broke a chair or maybe they had too much goulash. This is an automotive clip. A really good friend of mine needed a convertible roof fix. These clips are really valuable, and you can customize them because sometimes the ones out there don't work. Game card holders, game card presenters for games. If you have a gaming friend and they're playing a game and you don't want the person seeing next door of it, that's important. CNC clamps, hold downs. Sometimes you just need to customize those, and you can do those in Fusion 360. This is a coin battery holder. I use a lot of coin batteries for my little micro switch, and this keeps all of your coin batteries in case you're traveling, which is really important if you go through TSA. Again, game card storage. You don't want your cards to be all broken up, so you can actually put the logos of your favorite game, whether or not it's Dungeons and Dragons or whatever. This is a T-square for a drill press. So if you're into woodworking, there's tons of really great tools, and this is something that you can adapt. Relatively simple to make in Fusion 360. This is a collet holder, so whether or not you have a mill, CNC, or routers, you can put your actual routers inside of it and then look at the sizes. All right, lots of theft going on now. What about a fake security camera? But maybe make it look different. So the ones you buy online, the thieves already know, so make your fake security camera look different. So a laptop stand, just like this one, where you can prop up your laptop and it lays flat so it goes through TSA. That's really, really important because you don't want to have a crunched neck. These are GoPro accessories or action cam accessories. They can be customized, whether or not you want a chest cam. You can just find a niche and get that done. These are GPU display holders. A lot of times, whether or not you're doing Bitcoin or you're gaming, you want to display your processor, and those are really, really good stands for that. This is a gravity chalk holder. If you want to do sidewalk chalk for your kid, you can make these in each color and it just spits out. It was done in PETG. This is a soldering. I know I need to take a breath. This is a soldering holder, and this will hold your soldering thing. What I love about this is you can customize it to add different things on. It's modular. So if you're zipping your stuff up and down and you want to put your logo, this is a zip tie. So in case your one breaks off, whether or not it's on your sleeping bag or your shirt, you can do that. This is another zip tie toggle that actually will pin in. So you put it under your zipper and you put the pin in and it holds it there perfectly. So these are trophies. I've made a lot of trophies for laser cutting, but there's a big market for these. These sell for like $50 to $60 each on Etsy, and you just customize it for what you want. This is a holder for knife blanks. These are really, really cool because knives are cool and you can display these. And so that's what a great product, what a great gift. If you're doing LED lighting, strip lighting, which is really fun to do for electronics, this is a guide and a jig to keep all of your soldering or actually make it permanent. If you're brushing your teeth, which you should need a holder for your Oral-B, whatever else. And this is a great someone that you can make for a family member or whatever else. This is a great gift. Remote control holders. I have all these remote controls sitting around here. I just built my Diet Coke. I simply do not have enough places to hold my remote controls. These are organizers. You can do this for your wife. It keeps things not breaking. So you make a little stand for your phone and then for your iPad while you're working. This is another security device. This is actually a horn that fits in your pocket in case someone's about to steal your wallet. By the way, have a fake wallet if you ever travel. Keep one in your back pocket. This is a recipe holder. So if you want to be the hero at the meal as you're cooking one of those blue aprons, pull out this recipe holder or put it on your iPad. This is a divider for a prescription bottle. So let's say you want to put in 2 prescriptions in one bottle. This slides in and it lets you divide a traditional bottle into different compartments. This is a razor holder. If you don't want to catch some disease, pull your razor off the counter and you can go ahead and put your favorite logo, Avenger logo. This is a tool holder. This actually slips onto a drill bit or a screwdriver. So you keep all your nice bits there so you don't lose them. You can even add some magnets. This is a soap holder. I think I may have covered this one before, but this slides up and down. I thought this was really cool because it would be a great gift for someone that you love or you. This is a luggage tag holder, so you just go ahead and extrude your name with a SVG in it and then snap it because you want your luggage to look different. The worst thing you can do is have your luggage stolen. This is a lid holder. I thought this was super cool because I have so many Diet Cokes around here. This covers up your lid and saves that because Diet Coke's expensive now. Here's just another lid holder that doesn't have that fancy something. This is something that you can print really quickly, put some funny logo or not, and then put them in the fridge. This is an electronic holder. I love electronics. This is something that will enable you to organize everything and also customize it, and it keeps it safe. This is very similar. It's actually a shelf that goes on the wall, and this lets you organize it, but you know what? I don't see these when I go to Lowe's or the box stores. This is a tweezer holder along the same line. I gotta take a breath. This is a tweezer holder if you're doing any type of work with tweezers, electronic works, or assembly work. This is a cable management. In a little bit, I'm going to talk to you about even a cooler idea for cable management, hiding something. But this is something that I think can prevent fires, and it's just a way to organize it. These are sliding drawers. Kudos to the guy that made this because these are really elegant, the way that they look like Bauhaus and sort of that type of German movement. This is something that you could make a secret hard drive or a secret laptop so you don't have to look at it. You can just put the brackets and slide in your storage so in case you get robbed, people don't steal your information. This is another tool holder. I love the zip ties and the glue and everything that you would have here. And I think that this is something that would really knock it out. And this is a business card holder. People really love business. I have gasket business cards, and if you could put this at your shop, that would be great. And the final bonus thing is a CBD joint holder in case you want a little compartment for your CBD. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about something that was controversial in one of the other videos that I had. So thank you for staying on because the first video I did this right before the pandemic. I didn't know the pandemic was coming. And what happened is I put this up. I used the word money making. I never put the files. I never intended, and I don't think I respected the creators as much because I have files. If I sell the file, I usually give away my files. But if I sell the file, then if someone stole it, it would kind of hurt my feelings. And I now want to respect all the creators because most likely you have designed something. And if you haven't, please learn how to design. There's lots of Fusion courses. Try to find a current one, learn how to extrude something, block it out, but respect other designers. I'm trying to do my best that I'm inspired, but I'm also just not a thief. Whatever you do, make something that connects one. Peace out.